Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
MLA Jongaseng All India United Democratic Front na Assam u Aminul Islam ula syakem haki pulit Assam bala keno baula Pyrshang bat Ïada ke Pakistan halor ke jingja ka ulaja hapa halgam haka bagi le no the resistance front kila selit guli naphang ya kinong wan jengok kai ki balet chakni ke jaka jengok kai kabadan ha Jammu and Kashmir kaseng All India United Democratic Front kam kwa kenthoi halor ke jingkran jong new MLA jongka bat kalaong ba ka ke bokran ke jingkran jong usimet hi ban kam dan jingdai u menteri rang ba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma ulaong ba ulayo ha ka video ye jingkran jong ni MLA ba Ïada Pynban ke Pakistan kom taw la hukum ki pulet ba ki dai ban le ye no andai kham hadin DGP ula pentep bala dep man kem u la kem u na ka yeng sa jong u na Naugang district on yalam u sha yeng bishar ban le ya ka kam u Himanta ulaong ba on am island ban Pyrshang ke Pakistan la ka long haknu kunu kur komru la ka dai ha social media ni hai ru bat ki ba Pyrshang ban le kom ta kin sha kem bek Shushu laong baki India ka yang teli bro ka way ban penrem ya ka jingle jong kile no hapa halgam bat om dan kam satya ban penkesan nya leng ba kata ka hong ban penpau lan ni ka freedom of expression namar ba hakini ki jingja kinong India kim dan hok satya ban penrem yala ka jong kari komban pen mau di MLA ka AIUDF u Aminul Islam ulaong ba ka jingsha pen bathai bom ka kali ki CRPF ha Pulwama bat ka jingsha setiap kiri ului hapa halgam kidai ki kami sela jong sorkar.
We are also concerned about Bangladesh and recent hobnobbing between the Bangladesh and Pakistan. So we have alerted our security agencies to take a watch whatever is going on across the border and also remain vigilant. However, we directly do not share any land borders with Pakistan. So that is why I think our concern in regard to Pakistan may not be that high in compared to the state of Kashmir or Punjab or Rajasthan or Gujarat. However, we remain alert and will remain alert. I have not named anyone, but an important functionary of Congress Parliamentary Party who happens to be MP from Assam has stayed 15 days in Islamabad without informing government of Assam or government of India. He has crossed over to Pakistan through the Attari border in order to avoid normally when people go to airport there are a lot of attention. So in order to avoid the attention, he has used the land border, he has used that Attari road. I am not name anyone, but this matter is under investigation of SIT. We have got certain important evidence that the wife of MP used to receive salary from Pakistan for good 3 years. She was working in Delhi, but her salary used to came from Pakistan. So these evidences are already with us. We have examined the various staff of that organization. Everybody has confessed, yes, that is true. We have statements. However, in the month of June, July, we are going to discuss this thing with the Honorable MP. Assam Police SIT will meet the MP as well as his family to have his point of view, and then report will be submitted before September. But it is a fact that he spent good 15 days in Islamabad without informing Government of India and Government of Assam. He has also made a dubious trip to Nepal during that period of time. You all know that ISI was very active in Nepal at that point of time. So back to back, a travel has also been seen to Nepal. We have examined, there was no public engagement reported. It was mostly a clandestine visit. So we'll also try to join the knots whether the visit of Pakistan and Nepal has any connection or it was just the two independent visits. So all these matters are very, very serious, involving national security, and by September SIT will bring out the report before the people.